Very good morning. Hi. Good morning. That was quick. Good morning. Good morning. Josh, welcome, boys. It's been a good fall, isn't it? Waiting since 5. Thank you for waiting. You've joined me. I usually come at 5:30, so that's the Tokyo Open, right? So thank you for waiting. I'm here. All right. Wonderful. I'm actually happy to look at the chart just because gold prices has gone down. Soon I'll have to be getting some physical gold. So missed you live yesterday. That's okay. You're here today. Hopefully, we'll catch some good moves today. Don't worry. Tokyo is officially opened. Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining. We had a 3 on 3 prior to this. Um, we couldn't take it because this was before Tokyo. Let me just put that on. So as you guys can see, this was the signal that was the range. Long. If this happened after 5:30, which it didn't, we would have been in this. So we would have gone in somewhere here. Stop loss 140 pips below this, so 94. So this would have been a trade that we took right at the start, but the entry had already come. I usually treat it, I usually take entries after Tokyo starts. So this became invalid for me, but good move, right? Good reactions off of the 3 on 3 support or the 3 on 3 supply, which is nice to see. So let's see if we can get anything else in 3 on 3 for today. But for now, we'll be waiting to see if we get anything else in stop hunt or 3 on 3 for that matter. Good morning, bro. Thank you for joining. Let's check if we have any news for today. Today is the 24th of June. Guys, the time is flying. I can't believe June is already done. Today is 24, right? Hi. Good morning. We don't have anything out of the yen. Australian dollar has CPI, so that's fine. Other than that, We're pretty yellow for today. It's just the Australian stuff coming up. Yeah, I don't mind that. Would you trust this long? Um, I usually don't. I hope you're talking about the 313 setup that I was just showing. I wouldn't because it didn't happen in my time frame. I have very strict rules for the strategies. I wanted I want the supply to be tapped. It can be found before 5:30, but I want it to be tapped during the session. So for me, it's just not valid. I'll have to be waiting for another setup, which I'm happy to do so because there are thousands of setups, boys. We just have to wait for the right ones. If it doesn't fit the rules, I don't care. It doesn't exist for me. It has to fit a given set of rules. The confluences have to be there, right? So for now, we just focus on the stop and zones, and then we'll figure it out from there. Yeah. So I've put those confluences for a reason because the backtest suggested so. I have seen trades before the session run to around 1 is to 40, 1 is to 20, etc. But I've also tested it live and got SLs right, left, and center when I was trying it before the session. So I decided, listen, if this is to work, it has to be inside the session. Um, I don't care where the supply is formed, but it has to be tapped within the session itself. So, like this, stop hunt has been taken. So right now, we'll wait for the next 5 minute candle and then we'll hop in. I love it when we get setups in the morning itself. I wish this gets tapped too. Come on. Miraculous push, right? People be thinking, oh my God, I'm going to go short today. And then price takes this stop and zone. Actually obliterated. Look at that. Now people are thinking, oh my God, it's going to go down. I love price, man. I love how things work. Look at this. This wasn't stop and zone. This was taken before session started. Huge body candle close. People thinking, oh my God, this is broken. It's going to fall down. And then a beautiful reversal. Or if this happened during the zone, I would have gone in with this candle. Boom. SL below here, and would have taken that. But again, boys, rules are rules. Has to happen within the session. I'm struggling to hold the trades. Bro, don't worry about it, man. Just to clarify, how long has it been since you started, bro? Has it been a few months or a few years? 2 years. You're in a good place, man. Don't worry. You're getting there. Um, for me, things started changing after 2.5 years, which is decent. 6 months ago was a little bit different in terms of even 6 to 8 months ago, I used to take impulse trades, break rules. So you evolve as a trader. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about the fact that you finding it very hard to hold trades, or when it's almost to TP or when it's almost to SL. It's just a part of it, man. You just have to work through it. At the end of the day, think about it as just numbers because that's it, right? Trading is just numbers and things that you see on the chart. So think of it as just numbers that you put on to your journal. And when you think about trades like that, it just becomes easier, right? So next time when you're trading, just think about it as whatever happens, if it goes to TP or SL, I'm just going to put it in my journal and that's it. It's not going to affect me. I'm still alive. I'm still breathing. So it's fine. It's fine to take in a sell. It's fine to let trade run wherever it wants to run. When you get to that mindset, trust me, it becomes a lot easier. But to get to that place, you have to be doing it every time. And you have to remind yourself that, okay, it's going to be okay. Let me let it run until TP or a sell. That's fine, right? You'll get that, bro. Don't worry. You've already done all the hard work, man. 2 years is not a small time to be trading. Trust me. All right, boys and girls. I'll be looking for entries here. Um, this look like a beautiful zone. This zone has not been tapped, so I don't mind that. So if price wants to reverse from here, fine. If it wants to continue from here, let's see if this zone gets tapped, then I'd think of something else. But for now, it looks like it's it wants to go down. Let's see. So guys and girls, I'm going to lock in for the next 3 minutes. Please don't mind me. What I'm looking for is um, price to either have a strong down closing candle or an up closing candle here, somewhere here. If that happens, if there's a strong up closing candle, I'll be going for a long with stop loss below this candle, with a candle that broke the stop and zone. Or if this is a stronger closure towards the downside, I'm looking for a short with the stop loss above the zone. Okay. So I won't be able to see your messages. Please bear with me. All right. Let's hop on to the spot chart. So I calculate my stop losses here because this is where I execute. So I do mark out my zones in futures. Okay. So if it's a short, this is what's going to happen. 100 pips above here is going to go the SL. 12.13. So 13.13 will be the SL. Come on. Somewhere there. And wherever this candle closes will be the entry point. So it's gonna change. Don't mind that. Um, you don't have to be accurate. You just have to ballpark it in terms of pips. So 644 pips as it stands. That's what we're gonna enter. 644. So we're gonna be risking again 0.4%, $100. That's 0.15 lots, right? Now what I'm gonna do is take out my C trader. Guys, we still have 1 minute. Don't jump the gun, people. So it's going to change, right? So it's going to keep going up and down. Um, you just have to ballpark it. It's 750 now. 0.13 lots. Guys, 10 more seconds. I'm looking for a strong closure downwards. Let's see if it gives me one. If not, I won't be in, so don't worry. I'm in, boys and girls. 12.19. All right. That's the first trade for today. Let's see what's what. I went short here. Stop loss 13.12. And we're looking for a 1:3. That was the zone. Let's see what happens here. That's stop loss. That's entry. And that's TP. All right, that's the first trade for today. Hi, Sal, bro. Good morning, man. Sherry's here, bro. Hey, man. Good morning. How's it going, bro? I didn't see you yesterday, man. How are you, bro? I'm back. Hey, man. Welcome back. I'm good. I'm doing good, you all. Very good morning. That's the first trade for today, boys. 61. Okay. Okay. Yesterday, the market in favor. Yeah, bro. Bro, not all days are rainbows and sunshines. You just have to get through the bad ones to get to the good ones. So don't worry about yesterday's. All that matters is today. All that matters is that you execute, right? To get to the good ones, you have to get through the bad ones. So that's fine, bro. I'm happy we're here. We did miss 6 beautiful days of trading. Not six, 4 beautiful days of trading last week. In that 4 days, I missed three take profits and two SLs. That would have been sweet to take live, but it is what it is. I'm here. Let's do it. Hopefully, it favors today. Yeah, hopefully, man. Missed you guys too, bro. It was fun, man. I actually miss doing live. I love talking to you people. It's always fun to get to know different people here, talk to different people. You guys DM me, which means a lot with questions and suggestions and also praises. Lovely, man. Yesterday the market was crazy. Every time the market dips, I invest. Oh, that's awesome, bro. If you don't know, guys, Sherry he does swing in gold, and as far as I know, he's pretty successful at it. So it's good, bro. Dominic, bro, I'm from South India, man. I'm from Chennai, bro. Where are you from, my brother? I'm Tirunelveli. Hi, man. Yeah, you're from South too. That's awesome, bro. I'm from the South too. We speak the same language. Eden. Hi, good morning from Phils. Is that Philadelphia or Philippines? Hi, man. Good morning. Either way. Welcome, welcome. I'm from Hyderabad. Hey, bro. Thank you for joining, man. He says, yeah, proper South. I'm happy to hear that, bro. Philippines. That's awesome, man. We have other people joining from Philippines too. I usually have Lizzie here. She's from Philippines. Um, I do have a couple of more people here from Philippines. It's always sweet to see. Lovely people, bro. You guys are lovely people. We might get also a 3-2-3 here towards the downside. If that happens, I'll let you guys know. I'm just gonna switch to the minute. You see this? But I want this, excuse me. I want this candle to close downwards. Yeah, I told you guys I have another confluence, right? So that has to match. If it does, I will also put another limit order for this area. Let's see, it hasn't closed yet, but hold on. That'll become the supply for the 323. Still hasn't formed. I'll let you know. In the trade, should I keep the TP? Yes, bro. For this one, I trade with fixed take profits. Um, it's just a 1:3. I don't tamper with the profits with this one. But the 313, 323 trades, yeah, I let them run. They usually run, man. They usually run wide. So Mitzi, bro. Yo, I missed you yesterday, man. I was gonna DM you, and I was like, maybe Mitzi is busy. Let's not bug him. He'll be back soon. Yo, the wedding was really good, bro. We had a lot of fun. I drove around a lot. Trust me. It was really good, man. It was relaxing. Did go for a swim, walked down mountains, looked at from hilltops, bro. Very relaxing, man. After 6 months of trading non-stop, I needed that, man. Welcome back, Mitzi, man. It's good to see you, bro. It's always good to see you. It's great to hear. Yeah, bro. Guys, if we book a TP this morning, I'll be very happy. Because yesterday wasn't very nice to us. It's very mean. But today, let's see, man. Let's see. We will let it run. Excuse me. What is the TP at? Oh, why is the TP there? Bro, that's just 1:3, man. That's it. There's no specific reason, boys and girls. It is just a place where price says it's going to give me a 1:3. I have a simple strategy with this. I just need a simple 1:3 and I'm out of my trades. Okay. Milan, Milan, Milan. Yeah, the TP is right here. As you can see, boys and girls, it's on the screen. That's it. It's 4089.73. Okay. You're welcome. Good morning, people who've just joined. Welcome, welcome. I might look exhausted. Please don't mind that. I'm still recovering from my trip. I drove around a lot. Uh, Driving isn't what it used to be for me because I'm getting older now. Believe it or not, before it used to be a piece of cake. I used to have a lot of fun with driving, but nowadays, boys and girls, I am struggling to hold it. Yeah, driving 600 kilometers in a stretch with just one break of 45 minutes. Yeah, it's become harder and harder as the days goes by. Guys, this is a supply. I'm not sure if it's going to be tapped, but I will treat it as one. If price comes back, I will be looking for a short from here too. Again, this trade will be running regardless. Since this is a short, I can take multiple trades, right? But it doesn't seem like it. It might just pop down to take profit and then hit it. But for now, I am going to calculate it. I'm going to keep it on the roster. Let's see. 8949. That. And that's supposed to be the stop loss. 5393. Yeah, 344 pips, 344. That with 0.2%, since it's 313, so $50 of risk will be 0.14 lots. If price does decide to come back to this 323 here, I will have a limit order waiting for price, but it might not. It doesn't matter. Rules are rules. We trade for a reason. Why did my take profit hit? What the hell happened? Did I keep a small TP? Guys, I messed up, man. Oh, God's sakes. I think I messed up. What's happening? Is this 1:3, right? Excuse me. I'm struggling here. Something happened with my take profit in my C trader. It already got hit, but trade's still running. What is happening? Today's 24, right? Yeah, today's 24. That's one, that's two, that's 180. How? I'm very puzzled here. For some reason, my trade got to take profit. Uh, what tool are you using? This one right here. That's you can find it here. You see this? In your long short positions, you can find it. It's called price range. That's the tool. Oh, I got a better entry and hence the TP was short. Okay, sorry, boys and girls. I had a better entry here. So when I stretched it, I didn't put it at 1:3. The take profit. One is still running, so I let him run. I'm sorry, guys. Too many messages. Hold on. Next support level, I am not sure. You'll be looking at this zone right here. That should be the next zone. Uh, so for now, we're just holding the trade until TP at 89.73. So that's the 1:3 to be exact. Mm, spreads maybe, bro. Yeah, no, I got a better fill because the candle pulled back to the last minute. When I pulled my take profit to the usual $300, that's where it showed. So I just kept it there. And it turned out it hit the TP when it came here itself. So since better entry, right? When you get a better entry, you get your profits earlier. And that's that's the reason for that exit. But I ended up taking two positions since it was a better entry. One is still running, one is still on. I have kept it in the normal 1:3 area. So right now I'm not worried about it. One automatically closed because it already went to TP. Um, let's just let it run. Thanks. Closed at 4096. You're welcome. I'm glad you took it. What a sniper entry, bravo. Sad, bro. Thanks, man. You guys are welcome. I'm just doing it. I'd rather have you guys um, learn this because, guys, this works, okay? Regardless of yesterday's stop losses, it's all in the game. You'll have to, again, like I said, you'll have to get those to get this. Um, For the calculation, okay, I got it, bro. For the calculation, using my funding pips calculator, man. It's just funding pips. So under tools, if you get to tools in your dashboard, you'll see a price calculator, and that's the calculator. You can do it with online calculators too. It doesn't matter, but that's what I'm using. $50 profit. That's awesome, bro. Guys, I totally forgot about this trade. I'll have to put this in. How much was it? Excuse me. Getting clocked up this morning. 0.14 lots. That's $50, right? Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna put this, and I'll be back to the questions. So that's the entry 80 maybe. 09.63, 09. I put at 0.10. All right. So, guys, in the 1 minute, I do have a limit order sitting there. If price decides to go back, it can definitely go back and get my entry and the stop loss with it if it likes to take that too. So I don't mind. Arvind, did you let the confidence out for your trade? Did you let the confidence out? Shari, bro, um, which confluence, my brother? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Did you let the confluence? Oh, the secret. No, man, not yet. Bro, I'm working on it, bro. I've started working on it. I'll have it next week. Yes, man, I am using funny pips. Why don't you book some partials instead? Be asking because most of the traders do in order to be on the safe side. Bro, I don't do it to be on the safe side. Trading is very risky. I love the risk. And taking partials doesn't give my full TP, right? So for me, I have to get my full TPs because I just have, last month, I just had a 36% win rate. Since I got full TPs for 1 is to 3s for this strategy, we ended up with a 1 is to 9 at the end of the month. So I was up, I was risking $100, right? So I was up $900 just because I was holding until the 1 is to 3 full TP. If I was taking partials, I would have been up by just $100 or 150, depending upon where the partials were. So I'd rather get my whole TPs because having a 36% win rate for a month is not bad, but if you're not sticking to a 1 to 3s, bro, it's not gonna work out. For me, I don't mind taking stop losses because I understand the fact that it's part of the game. And for me, I need the full TPs as well as if it's going to stop losses, I don't mind. So with this strategy, it's plain and simple. It's either go to stop loss or go to take profit. I don't mind. Good morning, Abdullah bro. Any re-entry? I'm not sure, man. I do have another trade sitting here. You see this? Uh, that's the 323 supply. If price decides to go back, I will take another entry there. So you can re-enter there if you'd like, bro. Waiting for the secrets, Jerry. Bro, it'll come, man. But it's gonna be pricey, bro. Trust me, nothing is free on this world. I also had, but I failed. Um, oh, funding pips. Don't worry. If you already had it, that's fine. You just have to, figure out a strategy, get the discipline going, and you'll not fail. Keep doing this. Don't lose hope. Come on. Yeah, bro, I do have a limit order sitting there right here, but it's a very tight SL, as you can see. Uh, for this trade, the SL, sorry, guys, is going to be here. Okay. The entry for that trade is going to be here. You can, hold on. You can take a snapshot of that. I've already put that on. If price decides to go back and tap it, you guys can see this zone, right? I'll show it in the 1 minute. So right here. So 3, 2, 3. This is the supply zone. And as usual, guys, 40 pip buffer below and above, and hence the entry and exit. Okay. So to be accurate, it's somewhere there and somewhere there. So if you want, you can take a snapshot of that. If price decides to come back, tap this. So we are expecting something like that. Okay. Or go through it and take the sell fine. Something like that. Okay. For now, it's just sitting there. We're not hoping for anything. We're just planning ahead. Okay. I hope you guys took a snapshot of that. Almost reached 90% on phase one, but emotionally failed the account. Don't worry, it happens. Even I've almost passed accounts, and I had the audacity to not take the account because I thought, listen, it's just a 50K. I need a 150K. Since I've come this close, I've already passed it. I need a bigger account, and I closed that account manually. I've done that, man. I've done everything. I've done the whole 9 yards. So don't worry about it, bro. You're doing good. My win rate is 68%, but still not able to pass the eval because of my large losses. Bro, that that's the thing, right? If you have a very good win rate, you should be passing your accounts. You're just losing on. It's just simple, man. You're not sticking to your rules. If you take full TPs without break evens, without the fear of losing, you're gonna get it. If you have a 68% win rate, even with a 1:2, even with the 1:1, you should be there, okay? Eventually, at least. So the win rate is really good. Just execute. So guys, I'm just gonna put this back so I don't want people to get wrong ideas. That was the entry, and that was the stop loss. And let's see if this is the first take profit for the week. Yeah, I know it's Wednesday. I wasn't trading Monday, so this is my second trading day of the week. If it goes to TP, muchas gracias. We're celebrating. Let's wait here, boys and girls. If it's meant to be, it will be. Syed, what about the funded firms? Is it really a trap, or can anyone make it? If you have passed, some kindly suggest the best one. Syed, bro, yeah, man, I have passed a few. I have passed one before, to be exact. I did pass a top step account before, uh, but I was cocky enough to not get the account. So with TopStep, bro, how it works is initially you pay $50 for a 50K account. And once you pass it, you'll have to pay $150 to get the account. At least back then. Now they've changed the fee structure and whatnot. But before, you pay 50, get the account, you pass it, and then you pay 150, get the live account, and then you trade with it, right? So I had already passed the account. Excuse me. I'd already passed the account. It was a 50K account. It turned out, and I was very cocky. It is like initial days of my trading. So I said, I passed the 50K. Now the training wheels should come off. Let's go to the 150K and then pass that and, take bigger payouts. That was my thought process back then. Bro, I did not get that funded account. I ended up blowing 10 accounts after. I was very new to trading, man. I didn't know, foot from heels when I was trading that. So it didn't happen, man. But I've passed the first phase of this funding pips account right now. I'm in the second phase. I should pass this within the month. I almost did last 2 weeks ago, but that's fine. I made a mistake of calculating, but it's all in the past now. So yeah, bro, if you want to go with this, I'd suggest to go with funding pips, funded next, or FTMO, depending upon the rules. Just go through the rules in YouTube. It's all public knowledge, man. So funding pips, funded next, FTMO if you're loaded, if you're willing to spend more. But for me, they're good in terms of payouts and whatnot, but they're a bit very pricey. It's up to you, man. If you're a good trader, good discipline, if you can execute properly, you can go with FTMO, man. Your favorite sport? Good question, bro. My favorite sport is soccer. I used to play professionally. Um, I was an athlete when I was in school. So until my 10th grade, I was a runner. I was doing my 400 meters. I was a good runner actually. But after that, my best friend, he used to play football. I used to play football too, which I loved. He got me into my school team, and then I started playing. I did play for Air India club. If you guys don't know, that's an airline. Um, they had a club, so I played for them. Yeah, man, love the sport. I do watch the World Cup. So if you guys are watching it, I'm right there with you, people. Good morning, Raj. You're welcome, bro. Ali, welcome back, man. I'm doing good. How are you? Messi or Ronaldo? Good question, bro. I love that question, man. Messi or Ronaldo, bro. Me personally, I think both of them are different because Messi has much more ball control and is very precise in finishing. Ronaldo, bro, sheer power, man. Sheer skills, sheer power. Different skill set, but amazing players. I don't take away anything from either of them. So for me, I'm a lover of the game. So I don't mind if it's Messi or Ronaldo. I don't have an answer for you, bro. I love both of them, man. I know that's not an answer, but which fund account is best for beginners now, bro? Go with funding pips, man. That I think that's the best one, bro. That's what I'm using. I won't suggest anything that I don't use myself. So go for it, my bro. Anil, bro, it's been a while, bro. Where have you been, man? It's been a while since I saw you, bro. What's happening, man? Good morning, bro. Thank you for joining, bro. Nice of you to have. Nice of you to be here, bro. Ali says he's fine. Boys and girls, almost there. Let's see. Let's see. Rajmeet, good morning, mate. I'm doing great, bro. How are you? As you can see on the screen, things are looking up for today. That's really a good answer. My favorite goat, Ronaldo. That's amazing, bro. I like that, man. Yo, the work ethic of Ronaldo, bro. Respect, man. Not to take anything from Messi, but sheer willpower, man. Sheer discipline, bro. Lot to learn from Ronaldo, bro. I like athletes because of the discipline and of the mental fortitude, man, because regardless of how many trophies they lose, they keep getting at it, bro. Next game is all that they focus on. That's what we want to do in trading too, right? So any trades that you lose, you just forget about it and move on to the next one and just focus on executing the next trade because that's all that matters, right? Execution is all that matters. As long as you're executing, you're good to go. But yeah, there's a lot of things to learn from, athletes, bro. I'm not sure you guys follow cricket. Virat Kohli, one of the best in the world, waited 18 years, boys and girls, 18 years for an IPL trophy. He was with only one franchise from the beginning. And after 18 years, he took his trophy, man. That's sheer willpower, bro. That's sheer discipline. The amount of failures these guys face and still get at it with the same intensity, man. That's off, bro. That's what you need as a trader too, right? Regardless of how many accounts you bro, you just keep getting at it, keep getting better, keep learning and then keep executing, right? Yeah, come on, let's see if this gives us the TP for today. It's good to see where YouTube is heading to, boys and girls. The stream itself, we've got 18 likes. Appreciate you people. 43 of you are watching. Thank you for joining. It's early in the morning. Uh, yeah, we've got to 671 subs. Not long ago, I was talking about 500. We're almost at 700 subs, which is just lovely, man. Thank you, boys and girls. His mindset and discipline is unbelievable. In cricket, my favorite is Babar Azam. Bro, nice cricketer, man. I love his cover drive, bro. Wow. Classy stuff, man. Good, bro. I like him too, man. How do you calculate the pips and lots? Is there a website or app? Sad, bro, I do it with my inbuilt app with funding pips, but you can get any calculator, bro. It's just simple. Go on, find a gold or any forex calculator, put instrument as gold. All you need is the risk, the account size and the leverage. You can find the leverage on the account that you get, and then just put in the entry stop loss in pips. They'll give you the position size. So simple, man. Hi, Peter. Yeah, bro, you are late, man. You didn't miss a beautiful entry, bro. I'm sorry, Brian. But can you please put one video for funding pip rules and rewards complete explanation? Sure, man. Uh, Dominic, that's a good idea, bro. I'll work on that, man. Guys, I have so many things that I have to be doing. The amount of videos I have to be making is piling up because I'm very lagging in terms of the videos I have to make. As I have so much work to do, man. Peter said I can see you should call. Next time, bro. I'll definitely give you a call when I get an entry, man. Trust me. Bro, you use funded now? No, bro, I use funding pips. I got confused there, man, for a second. What do you think of crypto futures? Bro, it's good if you know what you're doing. Crypto futures is not an easy game to play. I've played it. I've lost multiple times. Uh, you're welcome, Peter. So, crypto futures, bro, if you have a sound strategy, if you're very good with your risk management and your tight stop losses, go ahead, man. You can definitely do good with that. But yeah, I'm not. Excuse me. Excuse me, boys. Guys, don't mind the fluctuations, man. All that matters is if price gets here or here. Sometimes I do this. I move to the 15-minute chart because it doesn't bother you that much. Even 1 hour is good for that matter. If you can't look at the charts, if you have fear or greed getting into your stomach when price goes up and down, I'd rather tell you to look at 15-minute chart, man, because this is going to move a lot since it's a 1 minute. So if you find it hard to hold your trades, try doing it in the 15 minutes. It gets much better. It's really very risky to compare to Forex in my mind. Excuse me, sorry. I'm getting clogged up here. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Crypto futures, it is a bit risky because of the news and the manipulations because you never know what's going to happen with it. Uh, I find it if someone tweets, even if Elon tweets something with Dogecoin or with BTC, if says something, bro, it's gonna fluctuate like crazy, man. Regardless of where your stop loss is, it's gonna blow your account, bro. I would not like my account blown due to news because that's the worst thing that can happen. I don't trade news. I know people who successfully trade news with their entries on both sides before the news. But personally, not a big fan of news. I don't like to blow accounts. I'm pretty sure no one likes to blow their accounts. But no, man, not a news kind of a guy. So there is a time limit for the 323. It will be done at 6:45. So in 10 minutes, we'll have the 6:30 candle again. I hope it manipulates towards our TP because manipulating towards our entry would not be good to see. Guys, I was hoping this would have just taken the TP, man. Now we have to risk the 6:30 a.m. manipulation, bro. Bugger it. It is what it is. We will wait for the 6:30 candle. And usually it manipulates us out of our trades. Yesterday it gave a beautiful entry, but I couldn't take it because I was waiting for a 3-2-3 long. Um, it went to TP, but man, rules are rules, boys and girls. We follow it, we live by it, and we die by it. Yeah, 9 minutes to 6:30 open. Let's see what happens. Most of the times it does go in our direction. Remember, a lot of orders right now are sitting on top of this because people are going short, keeping the stop losses over this high. So if 6:30 comes, if it manipulates towards the upside, a huge wick somewhere here, maybe we get tapped in on our 3-2-3 entry. Maybe, right? So if that happens, I'd be happy. So 6:30 comes, takes out people who are having the stop losses above here, manipulates a wick towards that. If this happens, man, that's Christmas for us, right? So either way, we do nothing. We have our limit order here. We have our take profit for this trade here. That's all that should matter. Okay. Why 6:30 candle is important, bro? Good question, man. 6:30 is important because it is the first 4 hour candle open of the Tokyo session. 6:30 candle brings a lot of volume to it. So since it's the first 4 hour, when it comes in, there will be a big manipulation. Let me show you yesterday's 6:30 candle so that you can understand that better. Hold on. Let me get to it. You see this? This is the 6:30 candle. You can see this, right? In the bottom, 6:30. See? That's the 6:30. That's the huge wick. And this should have been yesterday's trade. This was the stop on zone I was waiting for, but I had a 3-2-3 here. So we did get a beautiful entry here. It went to a 1:4 and then dropped. So I could not take the short trade. But look at this. This is the stop on zone. A lot of orders, a lot of stop losses would be on top of this. And that's the whole strategy again. So when price started at 6:30, big manipulation, a huge wick to take out all these people. Listen, regardless of where your stop loss is, above here. So let's say you entered here, you kept your stop loss here, 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 bro, you're taken out. Okay, this wick would have taken you out regardless, right? This wick. So that's what happened. 6:30 manipulated, and then 6:30 moved down. So this would have been the entry yesterday. You see this? So this would have been the entry, bro. It just kept on going, man. It just kept on going. Beautiful exit, boys. Would have been, could have been, doesn't matter. So that's why 6:30, sorry, that's why 6:30 is important. Christmas and summer. Peter, if it goes to take profit, bro, I'll take Christmas anytime, any time of the year, man. You're welcome, bro. Guys, feel free to ask me anything. I'm here to answer questions and talk to you people. So if you have anything in your mind, don't feel that it's a dumb question, a wrong question, and whatnot. But let's just keep that civil. But yeah, man. Even I've watched lives and I haven't spoken because I think sometimes it might be the wrong question or a dumb question to ask. Guys, no question is a dumb question. If you have something in your mind, if you have any doubts, just send it through. Do you use funded accounts? Yes, I do use funded accounts. This is a funding pips account, 25K account. I'm in the second phase, almost to passing. Do you believe in aliens? See? Good question, Peter. Do I believe in aliens? Yes, bro. To someone else in this universe, we are aliens, okay? If life, excuse me, If life exists in this planet, I'm pretty sure life will exist in someplace else, bro. It's a huge universe, man. Billions of stars out there. I 100% believe in aliens, bro. Hi, Josh. Good morning, man. Welcome, welcome. What is your strategy? I forgot to do something. I'll do it right now since you asked. I'm going to pin the videos of my strategies in the comments so it's easier for you. It's just a 1 minute video. It's fairly simple and straightforward. After you watch it, ask me if you have any questions. I'll go through them, okay? Give me 1 second. Let me just put it down. Good questions, people. Keep them coming. Yeah, I'm just pinning the videos. Hold on, boys. You're welcome. Yeah, that's the strategy videos. You can, it's just a minute video, so it's easier to just watch it, right? Because I've said it 1,000 times for the people who are watching this. I usually get 20 or 30 people here who are regular viewers, right? So can re-enter. Okay, hold on. I'll go question by question. In US, you get alien number. Bro, I do feel it, I find it funny, man, because every alien movie that comes out in Hollywood, aliens attack the US, man. Every alien sightings happens in the US, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know what's happening to US, man, but it's hilarious, bro. Josh, can you re-enter? No, man, not right now, bro. I do have, excuse me, sorry. I do have a limit order sitting right here for the 323 entry. If you want, you can try that. But for now, bro, there's no way you can re-enter, man. We're almost to take profit, bro. So it wouldn't make sense for you to re-enter, man. How much leverage is available for BTC and funding pips, and why not? Why don't you trade BTC, bro? How much leverage? I'm not sure about. It depends upon the account. I'm not sure. I'm having a 1:100 leverage on funding pips. I'm not sure if you can increase it, but I do see that that's the end of the tab. I think that's the max leverage you get in funding pips. But I'm pretty sure you can trade BTC in funding pips. The reason why I don't trade it is because that is where I started my journey. BTC is where I started trading, um, and I lost a ton of money due to manipulations. And I was like, guys, it doesn't feel like trading. It feels like gambling. Let's just find a strategy. Let's just find something that is not manipulated as much, and that's why I am in gold, guys. Talking of manipulation, next minute candle is very crucial since it's the 6:30. Look, even 6:29 is having heavy volume. I'm not sure what's going to happen here, boys and girls. Price can go up or down. Let's see what happens. But we don't change. We just wait. Okay. Good morning, Ram. Very good morning. Thank you for joining. Let's see, man. If 6:30 gives us the take profit for today, we'll be very pleased with it. Guys, if you're still holding, that's very good. Love the discipline, regardless of what happens, man. Yeah, that's 6:30. That's the manipulation I was talking about. It's gonna happen sometimes in both ways. Uh, Mostly it happens in our way, which almost there. Come on, bro. Don't just tease me and then go off, man. Come on. No, I didn't get filled. That was heavy teasing, by the way. Guys, do you want to see how close it came to my take profit, man? A little. Wait. Let me show you in C Trader, bro. Oh my God, bro. This is insane, man. Let's get there. Guys, that's how close it came to the take profit, man. Look at that, bro. I think it almost tapped me. Yo, that's wild, man. Look at that. I don't know how to zoom this thing, but come on, get it. Yeah, boys and girls, that's TP hit. Lovely to see that. That's one of the best manipulations we can get at 6:30. Congratulations, people. But the wick was insane, man. Yo, I was like, what? Bro, it tapped my take profit, but it didn't take it. Hilarious, man. I love it. I love it, bro. I love trading, boys and girls. And guys, I think I'm just gonna let the other trade go because it has gone. It's gone for a bit. So let's just see. Yeah, if usually trade goes through a 1:8 or more, I just let the trades go. Yeah, man, that trade is cooked. So the entry, guys, remember the 323 entry. I'm just gonna let it be. That's done. Okay. I'll be waiting for other 3 to 3 entries, boys and girls. But I, I'm okay. Are you enjoying, bro? Because I already take my profit. I'm glad that you're enjoying. If you've already taken the profit, good. But this is the fruit of discipline because taking 1:3 is a not small. Now my account is back where it used to be. Because guys, one trade will change your account. Um, that's all you need. Syed says, wow, great, super. Ashok says, super. Thank you. Very good day to start, Syed. Yeah, man. Good day. You will enjoy your tea more today. Trust me, I will. After the day I had yesterday, bro, 3 losses back to back, man. Yeah, I'd enjoyed. But it would have been much sweeter if price came back to tap the 323, bro. Because imagine if we caught this trade back here, man. How much? So if the price came back to tap the 323 right here, the stop loss would be here, right? So right now, bro, we'll be sitting. Look at the potential of this trade, boys. We'll be sitting at a 1:8. Okay, just now. I'm talking about now. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna talk about what's gonna happen until London, right? So it can go to a 30, 40, whatever. But this is the process that goes behind the 3 to 3 trades, guys. That's the potential, right? See, it's just melting, man. This is what I like to see. If we get tapped, if price did come back to pull back somewhere here, and then tap us in and then fall, voice. And then we're talking, man. We're talking 1:10 already, bro. So, guys, your accounts could change in just one trade. All you need to do is be patient and wait. Okay. Um, yeah, man. So that's TP for today. Very happy. That's a strong entry. Thank you. Yeah, that's we enter if the trade gives us we take TPs if there's to be taken. Guys, if you haven't joined Discord already, I suggest you do. If you haven't subscribed already, I suggest you do. Um, so this is a ritual that I do after after the trades. I do post my take profits in Discord. Let's just do that right now, guys. I did break my rule of posting motivation every morning. I'll do that shortly. So I am going to post the profits right now in Discord. Hold on. So I got three. Let me come back to that, okay? I got three, so I'll do that together. Save image. Save image. Save image. How do I? God, man. Guys, it's always lovely to take profits during lives, man. Absolutely lovely. Because I know you guys do too. So love it, boys and girls. Yeah, wait for it. There you go. That's how much we booked today. I think the actual pips on this one was this trade that we held on. So 1,734 was the pips in total. Remember, I told you a couple of trades got closed early. This got closed early because I thought the entry was better. I didn't see it. I told you it closed early. So that's why small profits here. But the actual profit came here, 224. So we will note this down. 1,734 was the pips. We will edit this. So every time we take profit, we put it here. Okay. How much is it? 1,734. Okay. 1,734. Yeah. So I did edit this, and let me copy this and put it into my futures chart too. Yeah, that's there, boys and girls. Hold on, I'm coming to your questions. Hold on. Guys, you can call this manipulation too. Look at this top end zone being heavily manipulated, man. You see this? If I was trading, if I didn't have this set up, I'll be looking at this. So this should be the next one. Look at this. That's that's the next top end zone. Heavily manipulated, bro. Because it's a 6:30 a.m. candle, right? Remember, guys, 6:30 is wild. Look at all these candles compared to this one, boy. Look at that. That's a huge candle for a 6:30 candle, right? It's just a 5 minute, remember. So good manipulation. And then I'd not be surprised if price does this. So this is what happened. 6:30 came, manipulated these top ends below the zone. Regardless of where the stop loss was, you would have been manipulated. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens, boys and girls. If price gets back way beyond our entry and SL points, um, because it is a big possibility, right? So that's there. But guys, I will be looking for 3 on 3s and 3 to 3s. For me, stop and strategy for today is done. Since I got the TP, I usually look for one TP, and once that's hit, I say muchas gracias and then move on. Okay. Oh my God, that's a lot of questions. Sorry, I didn't see the chat, boys and girls. I was looking at the process. Thank you, Christmas. Thanks, bro. Yeah. I'm not sure what I missed. Sorry. This is the first entry. Yeah, Milan, how do I? I'm finding it hard to call you Melanie Mel. I'll call you Mel. Is that fine? Yeah, Mel. That's the first entry for today. I do have another strategy which I'll be looking for entries, but with this strategy, that's it. Uh, I have two strategies. Okay, if I take profit for the day, I'm done with that strategy because that's all I expect from a strategy. So one TP or two SLs. That's the quota I have for both of them. So yes, that's fine. Thank you. So stop and strategy for me today is done. If I was trading, I'd be looking for longs probably or waiting for confirmation here. But I would not suggest it. We'll wait for 3 on 3 strategies, boys and girls. you don't get lucky twice back to back in the same day most of the time. So I'm good. I really like gold moves. Nobody gets bored. Aside, bro, people think Tokyo is very dry. It's very consolidating, like, and I disagree completely because everything that has happened nice here has happened in Tokyo for me. So, can you take new trade? I can. I do have another strategy, right? I will be waiting for those trades. So don't worry, boys and girls. There are possibilities on the next one. That's Louis. Let's go, man. If you know, you know. Absolutely, bro. Blew one account, book 6K on another account. How did you blow an account, bro? What trade did you take, man? What happened, bro? You booked 6K on another account? How much are you risking, man? What's going on, bro? Who's manipulating? Peter, bro, that's a question I've been asking myself too. Uh, guys, a lot of money will be in play. Trust me, a lot of people has been sushed for that question. I don't know the answer to that, but look at this, man. Look at this. Look at the manipulation of this stop and zone, boys and girls. I love trading, man. Stop. Hard. Look at the manipulation, bro. Look at the reversal, man. I'm pretty sure it's gonna blow through the upside, man. Guys, I'm very keenly looking at 323s. We might get one soon. Five lots, bro? What's the account size you have, man? You're taking five lots? Bro, I risked $100 and I took a 0.0.12 or 2, something like that, man. You're risking 150K account. Even then, bro, how much risk per trade? How many in dollars amount? If you take five lots, when you took this trade, how much was the risk, man, in your stop loss? Peter says five lots. We have an alien here. Yeah, he is different, man. He is different. I mean, taking five lots is wild, bro. Even for a 150K account, man. Yo, GK trade, take it as a compliment, man. I let it blow, bro. I would suggest is get some good risk management, man. Taking one trade and blowing accounts is, bro. That's not how we trade here, bro. And I would not recommend for that for you too. Bro said, "What risk?" Mitzi, Mitzi is always funny, man. Yeah, can you give me one lot? I passed one account. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. But in the long run, man, you'll blow more accounts than passing, bro. What I would suggest is don't treat this as gambling, bro. This is a business. Guys, trading is a business. Treat it as such. Please do not take 5, 10 lots in one trades, even if you have $1 million in funding. If it doesn't fit in your risk, so if it's just 1%, it's fine. $1 million, yeah, it might fit in, but 150K account, 1% is what? $1,500? If my math is right. My math usually isn't. So keep it below 1%. If you want to risk more, you're risking the chance of blowing it. Guys, do it right, do it well, do it for the long time. Okay. Did you take any trade? Ryan, yeah, bro, I did. Ray, right? Ray. Hi. Yeah, man. We took a TP this morning, bro. Um, I'm sorry that you joined late, but if you go back on the live stream, you'll be able to see this entry and the take profit, man. We got this entry at 543. Go back to 543 and watch this, bro. So we did take profit. Show point noted. Yeah, man. Listen, it's very easy to blow accounts. It's very easy to pass accounts if you're risking that much. But do it for the long term, bro. Um, I forgot to do something else too. So This has to be done. How much did we make today? I'm bad at math, so 100, 187, 187 plus 224. What is it, man? I'm sorry, boys. 180. How much was it? Oh, damn. 187 plus 224. We made $411 today. Not bad. Yeah, good start. Let's see if we get the 313, 323 trades. What time are you making live? I'll be live in Tokyo start. So for me, it starts at 5:30 IST. So you can join me there. I let it blow every bad sign that you're exhausted. Take a break. You either get the dopamine or blow the account. Yeah, taking a break is always good. Uh, Coming back with a refined mind is very nice, but risk management people never risk more than 1% of the account size. I've seen people risk 5% on one trade. Bro, that's for me is gambling. Uh, that's just my personal opinion, but 5% of trade is, yeah. So don't do it. Risk maximum of 1%. Boys, I risk only 0.4 per trade, man. I want to do this long time. I'm okay with passing an account with 2 months, 3 months time because I know if I have 5 or 10 accounts with $1 million in funding, just 1% a month is more than enough to be luxurious in life. Imagine, bro, $10,000 a month is more than enough for me right now. My lifestyle might get bigger, but that's all I need, bro. 1% is all you need, boys and girls. So it's all about the account size. It's as long as you have discipline, excuse me, as long as you have discipline, keep trading it, get to that account size, even risking 1% to get 1% for the whole month will put you in a different trajectory. So think about that, people. Any setup now? No, bro. Nothing here. Bro, can you take new trade? Yeah, man, I will take a trade if I get one, bro. Don't worry. I am looking at 1 minute 313s and 323s. You see this entry, it didn't come, so I didn't take it. Guys, don't worry. If I get a trade, I'm gonna take it because I am trading this live. I will tell you guys. I'm in Asia location now. My time is 10:20 a.m. Oh, that's good. My time here is 6:49 a.m. I'm in IST. So it's a good timing to be trading, right? 10:20 a.m. That's not bad. You have your breakfast. Um, you're going about your day. That's a good time to trade, man. Bugger my hair, man. Guys, I need a haircut. Probably today. You give a lot of confidence, mate. Thanks for being so positive. Nice, no dramas. Bro, appreciate it, man. Guys, I've lived it. I've done the hard part. I've blown multiple accounts. I've been where you are. I'm still where you are. I've still not, past accounts got multiple payouts. Guys, I know how it feels. The only thing that you can do is try to stay disciplined and keep going because eventually you'll get there, man. I am getting there, bro. I'm very close. I just need what $650 to pass this account. That's it. That's it. That's two trades, bro. That's two trades. That's it. So, guys, it is gonna happen. It will happen. You just have to hold on to it until it happens, man. That's all. That's all that matters, bro. Just hold on. And I appreciate the Kind words, Sumit. Love it, man. Great waiting for your another entry. Sure, bro. I'll let you know, man. If there's another entry, I'll let you know. Guys, you gotta know when to stop. And I retire my strategies after they give me a take profit for the day. But 313, if I get an entry, if it runs, it's gonna run for the whole day. So it's the same thing, right? So I do bit of big risk trades with quick hit and run. Like I look at tick chart. If it is not choppy and straight line, goes up and down, I do enter big size and move to break even as soon as market moves. Ray, bro. Yeah, man, you are in the really early stages of trading, man. Excuse me. Bro, I know people who do that. I know who, I know. I'm sorry, man. I'm just going to take some water. Excuse me. I'm clogging up. Hold on, people. I'm so sorry. I've been traveling so much. My voice has changed. Um, so coming back to you, Ray. Excuse me. Sorry. Bro, you're in the very early stages of trading, man. You're trading with emotions. You're looking at the chart. There's no plan to it. Bro, what I would suggest to you is find a strategy, backtest the strategy, man. Going with impulse moves, I'm not sure if that's a strategy, to be honest, because you can't keep your stop losses in defined places. There is no structure to it, man. That's what I want to tell you. Bro, find strategies. There are millions of strategies online. You don't have to follow mine if you don't like it, that's fine. But find one, backtested strategy so that you get confidence to apply it live and then have fixed risk, apply it. I don't mind you taking break evens, but get some structure to it. So either you have defined entry, exit, and stop loss, which is the most important part. But bro, you got a long way to grow, man. That's This is my opinion. It's constructive criticism. I hope you take it the right way. Don't get offended, bro. When you smile, you look beautiful. Wow, thank you. I'll take this as a compliment. Thank you so much. I know it's a compliment. I don't know why I say that. Sorry. Max Fonda, are you mate? Max Fonda, are you mate? I'm not sure if that's a question for me, Peter. But the problem with heavy hitters and runners is that it's very easy to lose control and blow accounts. All the profits gone in a flash. Exactly, Ray. That's what I'm talking about, man. You lose your accounts in a flash, bro. Bro, if you want to know my strategy, just click the pin comment, bro. You have both of my strategies pinned there. It's fairly simple, man. One is stop hunt, the next one is 3 on 3. It's just, it's easy, bro. Just go look at it, come back. If you have any questions, I'll clear it up for you, man. Yeah, boys and girls. Good start to the day, isn't it? We're just chilling now. And guys, my God, I'm struggling here. I forgot the morning motivation, people. I forgot to do this for the last two streams. I was very disappointed in myself for forgetting about this. Um, Let me get there. So if you're new here, we post morning motivations every day, and also if we get TPs, that's a whole different story. So last time we posted this. When someone tells you it can be done, it is more of a reflection of their limitation, not yours. That's fire, isn't it? So I'm gonna find another one for today. I'm gonna post it in Discord, guys. If you already joined Discord, amazing. If you haven't already, the link is in the description. You can go ahead and join. I'm going to find a new one for today. Okay. The guy wearing suit. Okay. I'm working hard, so bro, this is deep. Guys, hold on. I'll get to the messages. Hold on. Oops. I am getting the next one ready. There you go. I am working hard so that one day I can buy my dad a dream house. Nice, right? You have to be working hard for your dads, man. Yeah, so guys, we have a good community going on here. We have 122 people in the community already. If you haven't already joined, you can go ahead. We do have a beautiful thing going on. All right, bro. Yeah. Just give me a brief explanation of your stop and so simple, man. Sure, I will give you today's trade as an example, okay? So this is the stop and zone. Give me 1 second. Stop. Cut. Okay. It's fairly simple, bro. Price creates highs and lows, right? Let's do this. So price creates highs, lows. So what we want is after every high and low, people will be sitting with the stop losses. Okay. If I took a short here, my stop loss would go above this candle, correct? So right here. So I call this the stop on zone where price wants to go to. So this is how price is designed to act. So it goes to places where other people keep the stop losses. It wants the money, right? So it goes to those places. And this is the first 5 minute candle that took the zone. Okay, that took the stop and zone. I'm waiting for the next 5 minute candle to tell me the story of where it wants to go. So I don't care if this candle is a big wicking candle or a big body closing candle. People look for that and they take their trades. So you can call this liquidity, but I'm not a liquidity trader because I trade both ways. Okay. So mostly people, what they look for is when price gets to liquidity, all they think about is it's going to bounce off because it took the liquidity. Okay. That's not what I look for. For me, I want to see how price reacts with the next candle. If it continues, they won't be looking for a short. I mean, they won't be looking for a long, right? For me, I'm looking for it. I'm looking for both the scenarios. I'm okay with either going long when it gets to my stop and zone or going short. So the next candle is what I wait for. Once it gives the confirmation of either going short, a good, strong down closing candle, I hop on a short, as you can see here, as soon as the next 5 minute closed. So the first 5 minute taps, the next 5 minute closes. I enter on a short. The stop loss goes above the breaking candle, the candle that broke the stop and zone. So 100 pips above there. As you can see, 4113 was the stop loss. Aiming for a beautiful 1:3, and that's TP hit within the next half hour. Okay, that's how it works. Fairly simple, straightforward. You guys can backtest this. Guys, I've seen this work dozens of times. I've passed a phase with it. I'll be passing my next phase soon. I will let you guys know. Okay, guys, it's very simple, man. Do not complicate trading, people. If you have 1,000 rules, you're gonna fail. Just don't suffocate your strategies. Keep it simple. Don't have 100 indicators. Just keep the chart, maybe one or two indicators if you like. But that's not how this works, man. Love it. I'm glad you do. These guys from pictures are looking little G. Bro, I didn't make them, man. Peter, to be honest, bro, those are the memes that got me go. Oh, hold on. Guys, we might get a 323 here. Sorry, 313. Sorry, I almost missed this. So you see one, two, three candles. You see the indicator popping off with one and then three candles here. Guys, if this is the green candle, this becomes a supply. Okay. Stop loss will go 40 pips from here. 60 died, 100. There. I'll be looking for a long if this closes green, people. 27, 87. Somewhere there. So 430 pips. 430 pips. Would be the stop loss, risking 0.2% of the account size. That's 0.14. If this is a strong green, people, I'm taking this. So then there's the entry. Don't worry. That's the entry. That's the stop loss. Okay. If this comes back, I'll be in, boys. What's the size? 0.14. I'm sorry. I know this is last second because I just saw this. Yeah, boys, I'm tapped, man. Oh God, it's a huge. Damn, it's a huge. I made a big mistake, man. Stop loss got too big. Shoot, I'm in, boys. Whatever happens here happens. That's the entry. That's the SL. Oops. Let's see. Excuse me. So that's the 3 on 3. 3, 1, 3 enters when you come back to the supply, and then you let it run. Okay, that's the trade. Let's see what happens. I'm sorry, boys. I know that was quick. I did a mistake. I took a bigger lot size by mistake. I had to come out of it and then go back in. I did lose. I did lose some. Damn, I lost $50, man. Shit, I hate it when I make mistakes, bro. I'm sorry, I didn't see the questions, man. Great strategy. Thank you, bro. Is trade active? Yes, I'm in, boys. I'm in. This is in the 1 minute. I'm in this trade. The TP is not defined. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, that's the trade I'm in. Why you don't? Why you don't get trade? Yo, I got a trade, bro. I am in. I am in this trade, man. Trade is right now is at almost a 1:1. So let's see, man. And once you enter a trade, you get all those thoughts that you might be wrong and you want to get out of this trade. Ray, you won't get those thoughts if you backtest a strategy, bro. If you know that it works and if you have the results to prove it, with time, you won't get all those thoughts, man. When you're new to trading, you get all those thoughts. You want to get out of a trade. You want to get into a trade that is not your trade. So it's all okay, man. That's all normal, bro. Don't worry about all that. Just focus on the process, man. Let's go. I had this with marriage. Peter, you're funny as hell, man. The same thoughts. Yeah. Before getting into it, you're like, okay, fine, let's do it. And after, you're like, holy hell, what have I got myself into? Bro, that's hilarious, man. Re-entry, it's up to you. I'm in it. It's definitely up to you, but it has to be a sniper entry. If you don't get it on the dot, you your stop loss is gonna excuse me, your stop loss is gonna get bigger. And remember, guys, this one is a very low win rate strategy. I don't mind it. If you don't mind it, it's fine. But if you think that you want a strategy with higher win rate, just take the stop on trades that I trade. This one has a very low win rate, but boys and girls, this is where the bread is. If this goes where I want it to go, I'll pass this account today. So it's up to you. Good morning, Dave. Welcome, bro. On 3 and 3, how do you define the entry if it's a sell or buy? Simple, right? So if there's three candles prior and one red candle supply and three candles after, I know it's a buy. If it's the opposite, I'll show you. So if it's a three candle red, two candle green, and three candle red, I look for sells. Okay, simple. Wow, thanks. You're welcome. Guys, I'm struggling with my voice today, man. Learning. That's that's all I ask of you. You gotta learn. Trust me. But you don't have to execute it with me live. Guys, I'd rather want you learning and then executing, right? So I'm happy that you are, Mel. I'm very glad that you're learning because I want you guys to learn the mindset because it took a long time for me to figure this out. The mindset alone. The strategies are easy, man. It'll come. You can apply any strategies as long as you have the mindset to apply it. Any strategy with a decent enough win rate, even with 30% win rate, you're going to be good if you have the risk to reward. Okay. So don't worry about it. Peter, there's a big trend down, and now we set up long. A macro trend 3 on 3 in micro. Bro, I don't mind the trends, man, because listen, at the end of the day, price is going to do whatever the hell it wants to do. Because imagine this, bro. We would not have seen this push up because for us thinking, oh my God, it's going to fall. It did fall, right? But look at this push up, man. That's how many pips? Bro, that's almost 3,000 pips right here. Can you see this? This is 3,000 pip move. So as long as I get the trades, I'll take it with my eyes closed because that's how you get the winning trades, man. It's fine if it goes to stop loss. I don't mind it. I don't look for, the trends or if it looks pretty or all that factors. For me, it's just the fact that I have an entry. I'm going to take it. My SL is defined. The only thing I'm going to lose is $50. That's fine. But if this goes to a 1 is to 20, bro, I'm making $1,000 on it. So risking $50 to get $1,000 is amazing, right? So that's what I'm looking with this strategy. The other one is pretty good, bro. Getting a 1 is to 3 on $100 with a 40 to 50% win rate is sweet, right? So, Peter, to answer your question, man, I don't care about the trend, bro. If there is an entry, I'm going in with my blindfolds on, as long as I know where the SL is. So, yeah, bro. I had someone yesterday telling me that it's against the trend, don't do it. And I said, listen, it's in my strategy. I have the entry, I'm going to go in. He got offended. He said, listen, bro, I'm a six-figure funded trader. I have $900,000 in funding, this, that, and take it from me. You're going to take an SL here. I'm like, sure, bro, congrats. But that's what my strategy dictates, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay. I'm glad that you are six-figure funded. I'm happy for you. But for me to get there, I want to execute my strategy, right? I don't mind taking SLs. It's the part of the game. You got to understand that. And once you get to that mindset, guys, you won't believe I got a sniper entry like this and took a 1 is to 23 counter trend. It was opposite, completely opposite to the trend. Catching 1 is to 23s in a single session and not doing swings is not an easy thing to do, right? So if the strategy says so, I do it. Excuse me. Can you please fix the screen so that you can have a screenshot of your marked 3 on 3 so that I can study? Sure. Mel, I'm gonna tell you one thing though. So you can take a screenshot of this. Mel, not every 3 on 3 will work. Even now, I'm not sure if this will work, but the setups, there is another confluence to it. I would suggest you to not backtest and learn 3 on 3 because there's a huge confluence I've kept secret. It is not out in the internet yet. So try not to stress about 3 on 3 because if I'm calling out the 3 on 3, then fine, you can execute it. But there is the big confluence, which is the secret sauce, which is not out in the internet yet. Okay. But that being said, you can actually go ahead and learn, study stop hunt. Okay. Stop hunt, 95 to 98% of the strategy I've given out online. You can go check my videos. It's all out there. So try learning stop hunt strategy rather than 3 on 3 because 3 on 3 has a very low win rate. You're going to be pissed. And also, there's a huge confluence that's missing. I don't want you guys to be learning 313s as this, but I am working on something. I will get it out maybe the week after. Um, you have to learn it the proper way. This is not it, okay? That's the best disclaimer I can give you. Try learning the other strategy, okay? I hope you got the screenshot if you want that you wanted. But yeah, I'm glad that you got it. You take this trade on your prop firm or real account. It's on the prop firm, man. It's on the Funny Pips account. Yeah, this is the Funny Pips platform. The trade is right here. 50 pip stop loss. Actually, 56 pip stop loss. It's running. Let's see what's what. Oops. And guys, nothing is bulletproof. You just have to let it play out. Okay. If it plays out, boys and girls, trust me, it'll be the best day of your life because I've had those days. Um, it's just magical, man. When you catch these ones to threes, I mean, 3 on 3s and it runs in your favor, bro. It's the best feeling in the world, man. Could it be 413? No, bro. It could be 413. Listen, all I need is minimum 3 candles, okay? 3 candles minimum after. It can be one or two candles in between, okay? I don't mind that, but it has to be in the same color. It's just a pattern that I'm looking for. Do not complicate this, okay? But there is an important confluence that's missing. Biggest disclaimer I can give you guys. Algo is stuck. Doesn't want to take us anymore up. Algo is stuck. Yeah. At the end of the day, bro, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. All we do is we execute and we wait. Okay. I was in sell from 1 a.m., got the target at 6:30 a.m., slept like a baby throughout the trade. Damn, bro, you're awesome, man. That's amazing, bro. I'm glad that you took the TP at the 6:30 candle, bro. He's one hell of a candle to take the TP in. Congrats, man. I'm not sure where Ravi is today, man. What happened to Ravi, bro? He usually shows up. He texted me this morning. What happened? Almost taken out. I know, understand how it works. That's good, bro. Hi, good morning, Sachin. Thank you for joining, man. After 2 weeks, I understood. Bro, yeah, I'm glad that you're here for a while now and you understand how this works. Guys, the game is rigged. You just have to understand that. Uh, yeah, I think I'm not out yet. I didn't get the notification, but I will be. Yeah, I'm done. I'm out for this one, boys and girls. Yeah, we will do the 9 yards. So this is how your trading should be. Regardless of what happens, you just enter and you just move on, okay? Yeah, me too, man. So let's just mark this as a sell. That's that. We'll wait for other entries, okay? So I still have one more for today. Can we close? Have a chance to? Oh, dude, just close it, bro. It's done. If a trade hits an SL, it's okay. It's fine. Just close it, okay? Do not hope and wait for it to go up. Uh, that's the worst thing that could happen to you because price has all the possibility in the world to go take your uh, liquidation point. So don't do it. The problem with counter trend is that it is more like to chop around, like play with your stop loss and then continue the trend. I would do it if it is very exhausted, way from 5 EMA. That's nice, bro. Yeah, man, counter trends doesn't always work, but if it does work, it'll be beautiful. I've taken multiple TPs with it, counter trend, man. I feel like 4079 is the entry for buy or 4087. Oh, it's good, bro. Salman, 87 for buys. Yeah, I think it's near entry, man. All right, guys, I still have one more trade for today. Um, 3 on 3 trade. I mean, yeah, 3 on 3 trade. If it gives me, I'll take it. Look at 5 minute chart. What happened in 5 minute? Yeah, came to the stop hunt. Excuse me. Good push up. Now it's pushing down. Let's see what happens, bro. But right now, all I'm focused on is 3 on 3s. So that happens in the 1 minute. So I'm just going to be here in the 1 minute. Okay. Hope you guys don't mind. Guys, we get two more reds. So this is how I look at it, right? So I always wait for the prior and then the zone. If there are two more reds after this, this green candle becomes the supply. Okay. This happens in the 1 minute, so we should be very quick about it. Let me just take this off to clear it up. So you see this? 3, 1. Now I'm waiting for two more red candles. If it does show up, this becomes the supply, and I'll take a trade from here on the shorter side. So it happens very quickly. I'd be very vigilant since it's in the 1 minute. Now we wait. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm getting called on for T. Yellow. Yeah, 2 minutes. Hmm. Yeah, that's that's my call for T. So see, two candles are already formed. We need one more here. We will treat this as a supply zone. See, the indicator goes off there. If it's a red candle, that'll be a sell, boys and girls. So stops goes 40 pips below this, 60. Right there. 63. 500 pips stop loss. 500. Okay. $50. 0.14 again. Guys, if this is a green, I'm taking a shot from here, all right? That will be the trade. And the stop loss is here, okay? Just for your reference. 13 more seconds. Nope, not there yet. I need a red, remember? Nope, I'm not in, people. Don't jump the gun. Didn't happen. Remember, guys, always wait for confirmations. Ravi, what happened, man? You're late to the party, bro. How's it going, bro? Good morning, man. I'm not sure what happened. Today, Lizzie also isn't there. You came late, bro. What's going on, my brothers? Longer shot? No, I was gonna go for a shot, but it didn't pan out, bro. So no trade there, man. No trade there. You were sleeping, bro. You got your TP and you went to sleep, man. Come on. Are you done for the day, bro? Have you closed the trading for the day? Good. Blessy is here. Hi, Blessy. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Thank you for joining, Blessy. You made it. See, the culprits are joining late. Ravi is late. Blessy is late. Mitzi was on time today. He didn't show up yesterday. I don't see Lizzie anymore. I didn't see Lizzie today. I don't know what happened. Not started today. I was sleeping late. Okay, came from the office and was taking nap. Barely. Mitzi said it's barely on time. You made it, bro. That's all that matters, man. So came from office and was taking nap. That's good, bro. See, Ravi has a full-time gig. He trades part-time, but he's a great trader, guys. Take any supplements to cope with the stress of trading. Any supplements, guys? If you want any supplements to take out the stress from trading, bro, hit the gym. That's, I think, the best thing that you can do. I have been skipping gym for the last 8 months. It's the worst feeling to have, and YouTube hasn't made it easier. It's very hard. Yeah, Ravi is texting me now on Discord that he was sleeping. That's fine, bro. So, guys, if you want to take the stress off, just do a ton of back testing and get that confidence level up. If you trust your strategy more, your stress will come down at least a bit. The next thing is hit the gym. That I would recommend. The last thing is don't overtrade, don't over risk, right? So have one session, have one strategy, have one pair, and then just drill onto it, okay? Don't complicate it. If you do all these things, you'll bring the stress level down considerably. So that's all I would suggest. So try doing that, yeah? Yeah, bro, Ravi, I just saw your messages popping in, man. Guys, as promised, Ravi did send me his indicator. That's awesome, bro. I will check it out, man. Right now, I won't be able to do it, bro, because I'm focused on trading, bro, Ravi. But I will put this on. I will test it up, and we'll check it out tomorrow if you don't mind. Okay? Nidhi, hi, bro. Good morning. You made it, man. Again, bro. You're late, bro. You missed a TP, man, and an SL. Good for you on the SL part, but TP, man. Apply now. I have to set up tomorrow. Let's see the indicator, please. Bro, it's not mine, man. It's Ravi's. If you do it now, it'll be good. Bro, when I'm trading, I won't. Give me 1 second, people. Three on three. How if the volume high? Okay, bro, I don't care, bro. 3 on 3, I just need the colors, man. It's as simple as that, bro. Yeah, I took the that trade, bro, but entry is a little bit down. Took 100 pips, bro. Oh yeah, Nidhi, you took the stop on trade. The what is the three that we took, man? For God's sakes, I don't know what's happening, bro. Bro, Ravi, I am trying to apply it, man. Hold on, bro. Yeah, I took that trade. I slept, bro. That's the best thing that you can do, man. Guys, this 3 on 3 I'm not too worried about because it doesn't meet my confidence. I'm still waiting on that next 3 on 3 trade, man. Trade bias, please. A bias, please. Bro, I don't trade with my biases, man. I'm not biased when it comes to the market. I wait for my setups. Whatever it gives me. Here we were short, here we were long. I don't have a bias to be honest, bro. Tomorrow I'll provide you new string. You have to erase every day. Oh, interesting. Yeah, boys and girls. Let's see. Right now, this setup is not valid for me. I'm still waiting, man. This 3 on 3 isn't valid. Guys, I told you, I do have another one. Okay. Oh, I totally forgot about T, bro. Damn. Oops. They're gonna be pissed, man. They'll be waiting for me for T, bro. I'm sorry, boys and girls. I'll be back after T. I'm so sorry. I totally forgot that my wife called. I'll be back, yeah. If there is a valid entry, I'll let you guys know, okay? I'll be back, man. Hi guys, I'm back. Apologies. Yeah, bro, if I get a trade, I'll let you know, man. I'm really impressed by you taking more than 1:1 trades because I don't have the psychology hold trades more than 1:1. It is possible, but not sure why I can't hold it. Ray, if you're still here, bro, it'll take time, man. You'll just have to get used to it, bro. As simple as that. Love it, people. We're almost at 680 subs. Oh, I forgot to do this. I usually share the analysis in Discord. Let me do that quickly, man. Trading. That's it, right? Yeah, that's done. Show the indicator. Yeah, bro. This one is 313 indicator. This is custom made, man. My best friend made it for me, so we trade together. I don't think this is open sourced yet, but maybe I'll give it next month. No, the Ravi one. Oh, yeah, no, man. I couldn't put it on the chart for some reason. I'll have to figure it out, bro. I can't do it live because I don't want to give out his indicator by mistake. If he does, he'll be really furious with me. I gave him my word that I won't be sending the script or anything out by mistake. So I will figure that one out. I can't show it because you can see my whole screen wherever I get the screen to. So, so you guys have to wait, man. Tomorrow, I promised Ravi too that I'll show the indicator tomorrow. Hey, bro, Sachin. Tell me, man, how's it going? Guys, I still have an hour in live. If we get a 313 in the hour, it'll be perfect, man. I also submit my indicator for 313 in Discord for everyone to see. Yeah, he did. You guys can check it out. I myself didn't have the time, bro. I'm sorry, man. I've been traveling for quite a bit. All fine, but the trend still continues. Yeah, bro, it does. I entered short at 4091 during tea time. Oh, that's awesome, bro. 4091? Oh, good retracement, my brother. Great retracement, bro. 170 ticks. Great trade, bro. Ravi, as usual, man. Good trade. Ravi, don't worry, man. I'll fiddle through your indicator. I'll figure it out. I just don't want to give it out to anyone else by accident, man. Good job, bro. Bro, how much do you risk per trade, bro, Ravi? Is it a dollar amount or is it account size, man? 220? Is that the profit or the risk? Because that's specific. 220. 160 to 200. That's good, man. That's not bad for a trade, boys. Depends on volatility. Got that, bro. And markings. Okay. Makes sense, man. Come on, boys. Let's see if we could catch another TP for today. We locked in one. We did take a small SL. That's fine. If we get a 313 trade today, like a proper trade, I'll be more than happy. Let's see. Expecting 150 tanks more. Let's see. Nice, bro. It might fall, man. It might fall from here. Let's see, bro. I hope it does for your sake, man. I'd love a pullback here because the 313 pattern right now doesn't look like it's going to give a signal out for me. If there is a pullback, Ravi, bro, we might get another setup. But for now, we're just sitting here and chilling. Hi, son. I just call you son. Hi, how are you? I know it's a bit silent in here. Fine, good session today. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Yeah, great session today. A good TP to begin with, and a half risk, a stop loss. Waiting for another trade. Let's see if we get it within the live session. But all in all, great day to be honest. How's your day going? I'm waiting for pullback. Peter is waiting for pullback. Nice, bro. You're looking for a shot, right? 33 greens. 100. Oh, you're talking about the 3-on-3 strategy, bro? No, man. Right now, I'm not looking for anything because the other confluence will not be met in this area. So I'm still waiting, bro. How many trades do you do per day? Well, so I have two strategies, right? So I can take two trades per strategy. So maximum of four. But if I get a TP in the first trade itself, I'm done for that strategy. Okay. So for the stop on strategy, as you saw, since we got this TP right here, I'm done. I'm done for the strategy. Right now, for 3-on-3, I already took one. So I can take one more for that strategy. So maximum four trades a day, bro. That's the atom max. Usually, it's only two or three trades. Usually, it's two, man. That's it. So no complications, my brother. Happy to hear that. Took sell at 83 5 minutes ago, targeting 73.5 TP hit. Can't ask for more. Yeah, as long as we're hitting TPs, that's all we're asking for, right? That's all you need, my brother. One second. Well, try to catch next trade with you if there's an opportunity. Sure, bro. I'll let you know. But for right now, I'm just waiting, man. As you can see, I'm just chilling and waiting with you guys. I'm more than happy to answer any questions, but for now, I'm waiting. I think 15 trades total today. Wow. Ray, 15 trades a day. Yeah, man. I'm not sure about that, bro. Yeah, it's very easy to pass account and very easy to blow accounts, man. If you're taking that many trades a day, uh, I'd not recommend. Bro, even I used to take 8, 10 trades a day, 1.5, 2 years ago, bro. But I stopped and my trading got a lot better when I restricted the amount of trades and refined my strategies, man. Ryan goes, Ray goes lol. Yeah, bro. Guys, price is bleeding, bro. I wish this was a red candle right here, man. The trade would have been glorious to see. As after we got taken out, if this candle right here, hold on, this candle right here, if it was green, we would have had a 323 confirmation, bro. If that's the case, look at the supply. What a tap, man. And we could have done this, something like that. And what a trade, right? But could have, should have, not gonna happen. That's not how the market works. We traded. Yeah, I could lose all tomorrow, lol. Yeah, man. Not happening. Hold on. All hit and run and intraday profits of 229. Bro, we made 400 with this one setup, man. Just risking 100. No chance of blowing the account. That's how we do right here in this community, bro. Book my profits. Blessy, that's amazing. Blessy, by any chance, did you take this trade with me? Or did you even um, see the trade? I'm happy that you booked the profits. There you go. Blessy's done for the day. That's good. I'm almost done too. So if I have another setup today, I will. But I don't know. If I get another one, I'll take it, Blessy. But there you go. Oh, come on, yaar. You're late to the sessions, Blessy. Come on. This was lovely to see, to be honest. Thiru took it. Even yesterday, Thiru took that TP. Thiru, bro, you're awesome, man. He took the TP yesterday, which I couldn't take. Today, he took the trade with me. You're doing good, bro. I'll not say hi to all. Bro did it. Ravi got his TP, man. TP hit. That's awesome, bro. $410. Congrats, man. Dave says, I'm in sell with 7 a.m. 5 minute cattle, hoping it'll go to 40.23. Bro, if it does go there, bro, you're printing some money, man. Blessings, I'll try to come early from tomorrow though. I'll appreciate that. It'll be fun to have you guys here, man. I will hold you to your word, Blessy. The second one, you should. Dude, you didn't take the profit though, bro? Thiru? How much risk do you take on the 1:4 trade you did today? Bro, I took $100 risk, man. $100. I had two, by mistake, I had a small trade on. I had a great entry, not by mistake. So I had a great entry for that trade. So I added more on top of that, and it ended up with $411, I think. But usually I'm just risking 100 to get 300 with this strategy. But today, lucky man, better entry. Yeah. Oh, Thiru took that one too. Good man. I'm happy for you, bro. And I love it when you guys interact. That's when you know you have a healthy, happy community. All right, let's see if we get another setup for today, boys and girls. It'll be fun to do that. But great start to the day, though. Getting a TP early in the morning is always amazing. Ravi, I think, is done for the day. What lot size was that? Bro, I'm not sure what lot size that was. I can show you, though. The lot size for that one was 0. Sorry, man, I took three trades, right? So you'll have to add this up. 0.26, bro. That was the lot size. So 0.13 on this one. Adding this would be something 0.13. So 0.26 was the lot size for that trade, bro. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Ravi always has a target. When he gets his targets, he's happy to go home, man. That's awesome, bro. I'm glad that you hit it today, bro. I trimmed holding runners. Oh, that's good, man. Because it is dropping, boys and girls. Let's see if it goes further. Guys, I would have loved to have a 3 on 3 somewhere at this point. It didn't show up, which is fine. But this setup would have been glorious to see. Beautiful comeback, tap supply, and then false. This one candle, the green, I'm not sure if you can see this. This one green candle messed it out for us. That is how price usually reacts to supply zones. This is a beautiful supply zone. This candle right here comes back, aggressive tap, and then what a reaction from there. Love it. There's one guy who's saying risky in discount zone. It's okay, Ravi. Everyone has their own view, guys. We can't say it's wrong or right. As long as you're having your P and L, as long as you're printing some money, it's okay to have any views on the market. So there's a million ways to make money with trading. Just figure out one of the million ways and then execute it, right? So, guys, we successfully got to 680. I like that number, 680 subs. Nice, man. Uh, the trade you took SL, look at the same price point on 5 minute. which is where I entered. Dave says that's where he entered. Oh, right here. Nice trade, bro. Good job, man. Yes, bleeding. Yeah, he's going down, bro. If we held on to this one, bro, if someone did any of you hold on to this one? If you did, boys and girls, that's a 1:8. What an entry, right? I love that. More than 1% trade. I I only take 0.1 lots, but 0.2 I get emotion. Bro, Ray, trade with the account size, bro. Risk from the account size, not the lot size. I'll be much better. Ravi takes profit at $512 for this trade. That's awesome, man. 568. Good. Hi, bro. Uh, Builds. I'm not sure how to spell your name. I'm so sorry. But hi. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. I'm going to try again. B11. B11? Sorry about that. I see OB plus FV and liquidity nearby. That gives me confidence to enter. Nice, bro. You trade ICT. Good, man. Good for you, bro. I try to trade my own models. So whatever works, my boys. Whatever works. My hair is killing me, man. I just want to take a haircut. I'm not sure how you girls have such big hair, man. You know, maintaining this small hair is a task, but having hip long hairs, women, respect. Good morning. What lot size will you suggest for $400 account? Okay. Well, listen, if you have a $400 live account, I'd suggest you risk $5 to $10 a trade because that's what you can do. That's the max you can do. Even $5 is above a percent. So you'll have to calculate it with the risk calculator like I have, right? Um, so go to any risk calculator, put the account size here. So if it's $400, just put it there. Risk 1% of the account size if it's live. And I would suggest just risking $4 to $5 max per trade. Um, since it's a smaller account size, that's all is recommendable. But the lot size varies, right? It varies with the stop loss because stop loss sometimes is 500 pips, sometimes it's 2000 pips. You will have to figure that out with a risk calculator. You can just type how to calculate lot size in YouTube. You have thousands of videos on that. So I hope that helps. I'm right now why I kept TP for 1 a.m. candle trade, which I took. There, bro. Don't regret it, man. As long as you had a TP and it hit, just be happy that it hit your TP, bro. You won, man. That's all that matters, bro. You're welcome. I think gold bleeding is because of Wash being hawkish. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, if they're hawkish, it might happen. But for me, I'm seeing something very disturbing with gold because usually in war times, gold just flies. You'll see gold going up, but even now, I'm not sure about this fall, but I'm loving the fall. Trust me. Ravi exited at $612. That's awesome, bro. How can I access this 313 strategy indicator? Bro, this one is custom indicator my best friend made for me. I don't think this is out yet. I might give it next month, at least in the next 2 weeks. I am creating a course. If you'd like, you can definitely get it. Within the next week, I'll have it out. So you guys wanted the secret sauce. The secret sauce will be out in the world in a week or so. I am starting work on the course today. It is going to be tough to put it all together. I think I'll take a week doing it. Let's see, man. Thank you. Best regards all the way from Canada. Hi, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. Where from Canada? Edmonton. Not bad. Not far from where I was. I think I have driven through Edmonton. I am not sure. We did take a long trip once. I'm not sure if I did drive through Edmonton. Beautiful, man. But if you're taking drives in Canada through the countryside, bro, one of the best things you'll ever do. Ravi is also from Canada. He's in Toronto right now. So, yeah, Ravi is welcoming you. The US rates are same, which is pressurizing gold to fall, and war is also aiding dollar to move up. Yeah, usually, bro, Dave, war pushes gold up. But this thing is just bonkers for me because it's pushing gold down, man. 681 subs. Let's go. Guys will most probably hit 1,000 subs within the next month. That's a beautiful landmark. Thank you, man, who's already subbed. Appreciate it. If you've subbed, you can also join the Discord. We already have around 130 people there, 120. So you're welcome. You trade Nasdaq as well or just gold? No, bro. Boaz, I just trade gold, man. This is the only thing I trade. It may be the futures or the spot chart, but that's the only thing I do it, man. Wall push gold up, and when other assets are untouched, now the topic of war is petrodollar. Yeah, bro. I hate the fact that Trump is, stirring up wars, man. Guys, I'll be here for another 25 minutes. Let's see if I get a 3 on 3, I'll let you guys know. I'm still waiting for one. Took a buy with a tight sell, thought ain't a bad idea, to be honest. Right here, bro, I'm not sure. Is there anything to the left? I don't see anything to the left, man. Oh, there is. It's pretty back there, though. Ooh, that looks like a beautiful trade that we took. All right. So the zone to the left is 11th of June, man. That's too outdated for me, to be honest. Shiv says he can hear idiyappam. That's a bro. Idiyappam is a dish. It's a breakfast dish they sell on the streets. Someone is selling idiyappam on the street, man. I know it's hilarious, right? I'm not sure. I didn't know that you guys could hear all that, bro. I know you guys could hear the crows in my backyard, but I've closed my window now. I don't think you can hear that, but I'm surprised that you could hear the idiyappam. It's hilarious, man. You want to buy the dip in that fall, or do you want to catch a falling knife? Bro, I'm not doing anything right now, bro. I don't trade like that, man. I want my setups. I want my setups to show up and then I execute, bro. I don't care if price falls to $2,000 right at this second, bro. I don't care. It doesn't concern me. I don't catch falling knives or I don't catch, bottoms. All I need is I want my setups to show up and I just execute. I just sit here and then just chill, bro. So I'm not waiting for, or jumping onto any trades, bro. It's as simple as that. Oh, Ravi, bro, I just saw your chart, man. That's fire, bro. Interesting though. Ravi chooses to keep his chart in green. What's the reason for the green background, my brother? Is it because uh, it brings luck, man? Is it because of the lucky thing? My my style. You're right. Yeah, man. Hold on. Let's hope gold goes up 4,200 before London opens. Let's see what happens, my brother. Catching falling knife, high probability of getting stabbed. Shiv, yeah, man. Shiv is right, bro. If you catch a falling knife, bro, you risk getting stabbed in the face, man. Better to see in dark. Ravi, we all love greens, bro. Trust me. As long as it's green and it's printing, bro, we all love it. Green keeps you optimistic about the trade. I totally agree, man. Green is always good. That's the reason why I have it in neon green, man. I have people in normal green. Look at this, boys and girls. This is neon, boys. This is not normal. Even the red is neon, but this looks much better, doesn't it? Look at that. Yeah. So, money, my brother. Absolutely, man. I mean, to be honest, bro, it's look beautiful, man. Printing money. I'm not sure how many people have seen the masked guy. That's what Shiv is saying. Printing money. That's what he says, man. The guy with the mask, I think he's from Singapore. The accent is pretty clear, but bro, it's hilarious, bro. It's hilarious to watch, man. You know, I used to trade with him, bro. The worst uh, trading period of my trading life, man. This was a while ago, bro. Bro, he used to take a trade in 10 pips, he'd go to break even, bro. And even I had his premium too. Me and my best friend, we traded his premium. He will posted legit entries, but in 10 seconds, bro, he'll go to a 10 pip move. He'll go to break even right away, man. Guys, the amount we've lost with him. Very bad, man. Callisto, yeah, bro, you're right, man. Callisto, that's him. That's him. Josh, he thinks he's a brat. I did 150 just now. Is that a profit, my brother? Yeah, that is Callisto. You guys know him, man. Printing money. Bro, the worst experience of my life, bro. One of the worst. Trust me, I've multiple like that. Yes, he will give setups. I don't blame him, man. He does take TPs, but the amounts that he shows, the amount of trades, his what do you call the win rate, I think is completely fake, bro. It's completely fake as far as I'm concerned. But he does show money, bro. I think what he does is he takes a lot of lots, 5, 10 lots, even 15 lots per trade. As soon as it moves into profit, he closes some of those trades, and some of them are running, most of them are break even. All the profit he shows is just for sure, man. He doesn't, guys, with this one, we got what, 1,700 pips, bro. For him, this is the best trade for a month, right? He's catching 10, 20 pip moves, man. Maximum 70, 80 pips is his moves. Guys, our SL was 600 pips. Look at this. It's almost 600 pips. His maximum moves was 70 pips. I don't know what that is, but it does work for him. Not to take it away from him. Very successful. I don't know how he does it, but as a trader that you want to follow, I don't I don't think it's easy to do that, man, because he enters quickly and he goes to break even very quickly. As soon as you see his, let's say if he's giving you the signal, right? The entry signal. Let's say he's giving you 4,107. As soon as you see it, you'll have to calculate the pips for the SL. So he'll also give you SL, right? So you'll have to take time to calculate the SL, put your order in. Before you do that, he'll already be break even. He'll be saying, guys, I'm break even right now. That's it. We are risk free, risk free. And then you're like panicking because you've just entered the trade and he's already in break even. And now the price is going back to your SL. Bro, the experience I've had with him. My God. You see my zones. Secret took a loss. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry you took a loss, bro. Guys, not that I want to say bad things about him. It's just that it didn't work out for me. Sandeep is in, yeah, I'm in the 1 minute right now. I'm looking for 3 on 3 entries, so that's the 1 minute. When I had all the pullback, I wanted what exactly at 53.3. That's nice, man. Mel, I'm glad that you agreed. Trust me. The amount of time and the accounts that I've blown with that guy. Yo, I even took the premium, guys. You won't believe it. But this was a while ago. I think 2 years, more than 2 years ago. Oh my God. Mel, did you lose anything with him? I mean, did you lose accounts or did you lose money with Callisto? Because I have, trust me. No, not yet. She says, no, not yet. I exit exactly on wick. Bro, what an exit, man. I saw the exit, bro. Ravi sent me his chart to the pip, man. Today's hit was simple super, bro. Cooper, thank you, man. I'm glad that you took it, bro. Yeah, I think Ravi, you've already hit your money target for the day. You should be done for today, man. Don't worry about anything else, bro. You're good. I just take notes of his buy zones and sell zones. Mel, it might work. This is where I enter. Nice. But does it work, Mel? Are you making money with it? The zones? Guys, we'll still waiting on the 3 on 3s, but I have 15 minutes on this live session. So if you have any questions, you can put it down in the comments or you can join me in Discord. I'm always available there. We've got what 12 subs on this one. Appreciate it. If you haven't already joined Discord, you can go ahead and do so. The link is in the description, boys and girls. Sometimes Mel does make money sometimes. Trust me, it does work. I'm not saying he's a bad trader. I'm just saying that executing with him was the big issue. Um Live, right? Means 24 hours a day. I'm not sure, bro. Ravi should go with sell side. Ravi, that's a question for you, man. Now I need his suggestion. Guys, please do not overtrade. If it doesn't help your strategy, if it doesn't give it to you, just wait for it, man. You get 1,000 trades a year, man. Just have to wait for your setups. Ravi, is that question for me, man? Can you sh can you share our chart on Discord? Bro, I think I have. It's on the Discord, man. It's under analysis, I think. Check it out, bro, Dave. I'll post that on a server. Yeah, I'll post it. Oh, Dave was asking about your chart. I thought he was talking about mine. Ravi, send it, bro. If you'd like, I can post it for you, man. Or do you want me to post the one you sent me already? Let me know. Guys, we still have 12 more minutes. Let's see if we get a trade. If not, I'll say adios soon. Ravi says his server, his rules. I'm just hidden user there, man. Appreciate it, bro. You respect the rules, man. Appreciate that. Can you explain 3 and 3 strategy? Bro, 3 and 3 strategy, it's fairly simple, bro. I have the video pinned. Just take a look at the video, man. It's very simple, bro. Dude, I'm asking I share it on, can I share it on Discord? Yeah, you can share your chart, bro. You guys can talk about it on the analysis or the trading chat. I don't mind, man. You mentioned that time that you will be sharing backtesting results on 3 on 3 on Discord. Will you be sharing them? Bro, I will be, man. You're talking about. But the thing about that is, bro, I have those results like this, okay? I think I already tried showing you guys. Guys, it's not the exact backtesting results you'll be looking for. I don't have it tabulated. And that's why I didn't share it, bro. Listen. So it's pretty weird, man. I don't think even you'll understand about this. Hold on. I'm going to share it in Discord. Um, Bro, I did put it in Discord. Look, where is it? Right here. Bro, it's something like this, man. So I'm not sure if it's going to be helpful for you because it's very raw. I haven't tabulated it. So for March 2026, I had three TPs with 3 on 3 strategy. One is to 4, next is 1 is to 2, and one is to 23. Had 13 SLs for the month. Total I had 1 is to 16 risk to reward to end with. Feb, similar thing, 1 is to 43, 1 is to 32, or 1 is to 6, and a 1 is to 8. 9 SLs ended up with the 1 is to 80 for Feb 2026. Jan was a 1 is to 39. So something like that. I'm not sure if that'll be helpful for you. Uh, Let me know if that's helpful. And again, 313, right? There is a hidden confluence. If you try backtesting it, I don't think you'll get it. So those are the reasons, man. I don't want to give out the wrong signals because when people try to follow 313, they're going to get hit left, right, and center, man, because there's a huge confluence that's missing. There is a few things that I follow in order to get those results. So that's why I'm not too open about 3 on 3 because I don't want people to be following that. I'd love people to be following stop hunt because see, it's cut and dry, man. You have a high, people have the stop losses, price gets to the highs. You wait for confirmation, 100 pip buffer on the SL, 1 is to 3. That's it, right? It's fairly straightforward. And that's why I didn't do it, bro. I hope you understand, man. On the chart, which candle to point? Oh, yeah, Ravi has given the green signal. I'm going to share that. Petiro, welcome, bro. Welcome to Discord, man. Yeah, I'm just going to share it, boys and girls. Ravi's chart. My best friend is calling. Give me 1 second. Um, Hold on, boys. Guys, that is Ravi's chart, not mine. That's the green stuff I was talking about. That's his trade. So you can check Discord, boys and girls. Different broker, different prices. I really like the way you don't impulse enter and trade. I see market move fast. I want to get in. Bro, that's how I was when I started. After almost 5 years of trying to do this, I'm in a place where I don't care where the market goes or if I see a huge red candle or a green candle, it doesn't bother me, man. Right now, if you're there, don't worry, bro. You'll get there, man. This is my first Discord, bro. Appreciate it, man. If you're new to Discord and you joined my server first, that's awesome, bro. Guys, follow Arvindan. He is boss here and on Discord. You'll make great money with him. Ravi, really appreciate that verse, man. Thank you so much, bro. Means a lot. Yeah, even Ravi takes my trades, and he's also a great trader. Not to take credit from him. Yeah, I'll give credit to you too, man. Amazing trader Ravi is. He's a veteran. Trust me. He's been doing this almost for 5 years now. It goes both ways, my brother. You are a great trader, guys. I just have another 5 minutes. If you have any questions, put it. I'm hoping for a 3 on 3 entry. If it does show up, I'll tell you guys. I win a trade, I get confident, I want to make more money, and when the market moves fast, I want to fight the urge to get in. Bro, you will, bro. Ray, listen, man. It will happen with time, but it won't happen now. You will have to practice it. Just practice backtesting first, bro, and then get it. Yeah, we all know, bro. We've been doing this for a while. We were there, man. We were you once upon a time. So even Ravi understands. See, it's normal, bro. What you're doing is absolutely normal. This is where people start trading. This is how people start trading. It's not wrong. That's this brain of ours has been conditioned for thousands of years, even millions of years to get here with fear and greed, man. So it's not your fault. It's just the programming right here. So don't worry about the fact that you're having that impulse to get in and also the fear to get out. It's all normal. You will train it out of your brain eventually. Not now, it will take time, but after 3 to 4 years of doing it consistently and getting better every time, you will get there. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, see, even Ravi says wait for setups. Absolutely. Sherry, absolutely right, man. In trading, patience is an important skill to master. Absolutely. Sherry is on point there, man. You gotta have the patience, boys and girls. Wait for the setups. When it shows up, execute. Do not look back. See, when you're in a trade, when we were in the trade this morning, price did pull back. Look, 50% of the way. Price, we entered right here. Price came down a little bit. Price pulls back. If you're afraid of it, if you take it off right away, you will miss this TP. Okay. If you close your trade just because price pulled back against you, you're losing money a little bit. Guys, you will not be able to take profits like these. You will always have to focus. You'll have to make sure that listen is just a part of trading and then execute it. Okay. Don't worry about it, people. It's just normal, man. Blessy, see, all the OGs in my community are agreeing with it, man. Guys, even Blessy, she is the full-time trader. From what I know, she's a great trader. Sherry, another amazing trader. Trust me, all of these guys have been doing this for a while. They understand the facts. They know that it's going to happen, and you got to be okay with it mentally. Okay. Sherry's been doing it for a while. Blessy, I know for she's also doing it for a while full time. Ravi, again, 5 years. So these are all the people who've been doing it. So I've been doing it for a while too. So if you want to learn it the right way and learn that it's okay to do it. Okay. Don't be fearful of it. Don't stop just because you're doing it. So it's fine. My mentor said first rule, trade trader job is not to trade. Our job is to wait for trade. Ravi, nail on the coffin, bro. That's awesome. Blessy. I love these emojis, man. It's hilarious. I'm signing off today. Hope you guys together gold with reach 423 by any means. Sell from 400. See you tomorrow. Dave, thank you for joining, man. I'm also signing off, people. I still have 2 more minutes, so I'll do my ending remarks. Don't worry, Dave. I'll sign off with you. Guys, it was an amazing session. Loved it. We got a great trade for 1:3. Booked $400 for today. And then a small loss today for $50. That's fine. So all in all, almost $350. I still have another trade for today. I might take it after if it shows up. Um, guys, 43, almost 45 of you over here. Thank you so much for joining. I trade Tokyo's. So if you want to trade with me, if you want to learn and understand, and the main part, if you want to understand what the psychology is like, from just not me, from other people in my community, we have some amazing people who do and I've been trading for a long time. You can join the community to interact with them as well as myself. So we have good traders here. We are trying to build something good here. If you have stayed for this long, really appreciate it. You're doing the hard part, which is to sit and watch someone trade or be here. I think that tells a lot about you. Don't worry if you're still struggling, Ray, it's okay, man. Don't worry about it. You'll get there. And other people who want to become and get there, just keep doing it. Okay. What do you think of Modi ji, bro? Let's not get into politics. Do you trade Indian stocks? No, man, I don't. Peter says, call me tomorrow. Yeah, bro. If I take a trade, bro, Peter, I'm gonna call you, man. Yeah, Sherry, bro. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Take care. I hope you guys took the trade today. I'm happy that we took it on live and we took the take profit too on live. I will make a shot out of it soon. Nidhi, thank you for your valuable time with us. Bro, thank you for spending your time with me. It means a lot. Um, Ravi, see, Peter, Ravi's gonna call you, man. He's gonna remind you. He's gonna call 911. All right, boys and girls. It was fun. It's time for me to sign off. Thank you so much for joining. Uh, you can connect with me in Discord. I'm always there. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the Tokyo Start. I hope you guys have a great day. It's me signing off. Take care. I don't know where the yeah, there you go. Bye.